Yeah, I don't know what look I'm gonna be doing today. I think I want to do something pink because this hot pink is kind of speaking to me today. So I think I might do that actually. Wow, that's a really smart idea. Look how pretty it is. I don't want to ruin it.
The camera.
I don't want to ruin it. Look how pretty it is. Are you joking? Oh!
I think what happened? What happened? What happened?
I dug my nail in it. So I'm just gonna be taking the shade Skip. Yeah, because you get all the shade names on this little flimsy plastic thing here. Love that. And I don't know what I'm gonna be doing actually, so oh my god, should I actually do pink though? It, let's just do pink, like whatever. Is this something I can come back from? Like, is this something that I can fix? Love that. I find that stamping where you're going to put your cut crease is a lot neater than dragging the concealer, so that's what I like to do when I'm doing my cut crease. So I'm going to be going back in. I'm taking this off. I'm starting again. Let's try that again. I feel like maybe we should go for something more like natural today, seeing as though I already had a mental breakdown because I looked like an egg before and I didn't want to film looking like an egg, so that was something else. Maybe on a day where I'm just feeling it a bit more, I'll try this again, but like not today. Also, I just wanted to say that this has nothing to do with James Charles's palette being bad because it's definitely not bad. I think I was just a bit, you know, bold today. Okay, so seeing as though the James Charles palette is a bit too advanced for me, I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette. Oh my god, thank god. Oh my god. The shades are on the back. You don't have to look at it. One of these. This is a lot more up my mental breakdown alley today. Oh. What the f? Coming. Oh my god, don't go into cardiac arrest when you see me. I look like a raccoon.
Why?
I've tried to make it better. I've tried to persevere. It is just not working.
No, you gotta tilt it. Tilt it towards the camera.
Are you joking? Oh, I dug my nail in it. I am having a mental breakdown. I'm done. Bye. I'm done.